What's up, y'all? My name is Arbany and I have a really good story. So I love chocolate, and Ferrero Rocher, boom, they sent me chocolate. They sent me a ton of chocolate and I've ate half of them. But you know what? I'm so happy because chocolate is amazing. Also, I feel inspired and I'm gonna make it into couture. Well, time to eat chocolate in the name of fashion. This is not great for my 2024, resolutions and plans, but I cannot deny how amazing these are. And there's so much more to still eat. Ah! All right, we're cheersing on our 50th. Okay, in true sustainable form, I am taking leftover recycled plastic from my kitchen that I use to make the circles for my gold chips. This, I think, was from a salad bowl I had. So I'm making these circles and they will just give me more structure. Oh, and my favorite part, eating the Ferrero Rocher. Okay, look at these gold flakes. I mean, look at it glow in the sun. Glow, baby, glow. Now it's time to cut circles from the actual gold flakes and then put it all together. I have finished all my gold chips. Like, look how cool these are. Made out of plastic and chocolate wrappers. Sustainability check. So now these are all laid out. I tried to just eyeball them and evenly space them to see how they would look. Now the trick is linking these together to where they keep that shape and cover everything. Okay, my Ferrero Rocher babes, I just made my first chain. Look how cute. So I'm gonna put it back here. So I'm gonna do another line down. I think I'm gonna link them line by line and then start going horizontally. But this is so fun. Definitely my new obsession. What I've been doing is taking my gold baby chips, and then I have a little template, and then I basically use it all to poke the holes. And then I take my rings. I've been using these bigger ones. And then I just open it up with my handy dandy tools. I was doing it with my hands, my fingers, and it hurt. Like, your girl's fingers hurt. Put it through. Yeah. Give it another one. And then close it. Like, so much detail. Boom. And then I take it to the dress form. I'm gonna connect it right here. And then I get really quiet and I whisper. I'm like, okay, come on. Ah, dang it. Boom. Look at that. Like, I love it. Y'all saw midway through my Ferrero Rocher baby, and I need more gold flakes. So I think now is the time. Honestly, I can't even fight it. Like, I've ate so many of these just for the project, and I was like, I gotta stop eating these. Maybe I'll just like unwrap all of them and then throw the chocolates away. And then I'm like, are you kidding me? My parents would kill me. Like, I was raised better. We do not waste food. So, Mom and Dad, this is for you. It's also like 2 a.m. right now. This is just too cool, and I just get to like create the shape as I go. And like, look at that. Closing up. Boom. I'm almost done, but I need another Ferrero Rocher right here. All right, so I have good news and bad news. The good news is I am finished with the top and she is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Like, look at the detail. Bad news is I'm obsessed with her and now I want to make a whole dress. So I thought I was done and I'm not, which means y'all, I have to eat more chocolate. All right, after like 4 hours, I think, I finished what I'm gonna add on. So I just went with some like triangular shape. It's like, let me make my top longer. I'm not doing the dress anymore because now I wanna do a skirt and I've just got ideas going crazy. Okay, so here is my top already. And all I'm gonna do, all I'm gonna do is add it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, plot twist, my shirt that I made longer is super see-through because it has like all the holes in it, which I knew was gonna be an issue and I didn't know how I was gonna solve it. I am gonna use my extra gold baby flakes and make the bra into a gold bra and then wear that underneath so we keep it PG. Try right here. Press it down. I'm just going for it. If this works, it shouldn't be a full... all right, it's a full layer. No! Whoa. Okay. Okay, take 3. I'm so ready to be done with this. So I think it's just like put glue like I was doing already, and then let me just try a small piece before I mess this up. I'm gonna put that like that, press it on. I'm so scared. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moment of real truth. Yes, that is what I wanted. All right, full fit, y'all, head to toe Ferrero Rocher. I love it. Got the earrings asymmetrical. The top, oh my gosh, I'm doing something else with this same technique because I love it. Your girl made a purse too, chocolates on the go. And then I had to go all out. I'm super happy with the pants. Gold flakes in the front, gold pockets in the back, open back. Like, ooh, looking like a whole snack. I'm a Ferrero Rocher girl.